Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stash app for beginners. First, download the Stash app from your App Store and create an account. You'll need to link a bank account to fund your investments. Stash offers various investment options, including fractional shares, allowing you to invest small amounts. It's designed to make investing accessible and straightforward for everyone, even if you're just starting your financial journey. Setting up your Stash account is quick and secure. After downloading, you'll provide some basic personal details and link your bank account. Stash uses bank-level security to protect your information. Once linked, you can easily transfer funds, often starting with as little as $5, to begin your investment journey. This initial setup helps Stash understand your financial profile and suggest suitable investment strategies. Stash offers a diverse range of investment options, from individual stocks and exchange-traded funds to themed portfolios. You can invest in fractional shares, meaning you don't need to buy an entire share of a company. Explore smart portfolios for automated investing based on your risk tolerance. Stash also provides educational content to help you understand different investment types and make informed decisions. Managing your investments with Stash is intuitive. You can easily view your portfolio's performance, track your returns, and make adjustments as needed. Stash provides regular updates and insights to help you stay informed. Remember, investing is a long-term strategy, and consistent contributions, even small ones, can significantly impact your financial future. Stash empowers you to take control of your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.